What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's second video. And in today's second video, we're going to take a look at our good friend Cardano and see what it's doing on all the time frames. If we have any clues on where we're going to get a bounce for Cardano, and I think it's going to be sooner I think we all think Cardano is going to get a bounce soon, but I think it's going to be sooner than we all think. So let's not waste any time and jump right into the video. But first, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smack the subscribe button down below, and also go check out my Patreon that I just created here. You have a bunch of exclusive content on the Patreon with exclusive Discords, exclusive videos, personalized videos just for you guys. Go check that out after the video if you want, okay? But we're not going to waste any time here on the 4-hour chart. You guys can see for Cardano, we are now just in a rising channel. We're right at that support level where we got a bounce once and now twice. And we also got a bounce off of our 100 4-hour EMA, which you can see this band with our 100 and 200 4-hour EMAs has been absolutely huge. Really been holding as support, really, all the way since November of 2020, okay? For the last 4 months, this has really held us as support besides one little fake out down here at the end of December, actually Christmas Eve. Thank you, Santa. Other than that, we've been holding it as support all throughout this run up for Cardano. We just got support on it again. And you can see now in this rising channel, we've gotten 1 touch of support, 2 touches on support, and now 3 touches on support on this channel, okay? And you can see also, guys, we are actually creating a bullish divergence on the RSI on the 4-hour. You can see we gotten 1 touch and 2 touches here on the bullish RSI. We're getting higher lows in price action and lower lows on the RSI, guys. So that should, right, in theory, push us up. But we've seen it before where it doesn't always push us up. But based on TA, that should push us back up to the top of the range here. And you guys can see we've already really gotten for Cardano, we've already gotten about a 30% dip, which is typical in a bull market for crypto, okay? So I do not think we should be panicking at all. And this is completely par for the course, not only for Cardano, but for crypto in general, okay? We're going to go check out the daily chart now and see that this consolidation that we're in right now is very, very similar to the last consolidation we were in the beginning of January, okay? Before we got a big pump to the upside for Cardano. You guys can see we were in a very, very similar rising channel, okay? And what we did is we pumped into that rising channel and we kind of consolidated sideways after hitting our resistance. You can see right here, consolidated sideways for about 5 daily candles. And you can see as we pumped into this one, we consolidated sideways for about 5 daily candles as well, before dumping back down to the bottom, right? And confirming it as support with a giant buy wick to the upside, okay? And we did the same thing over here. We dumped and got a giant buy wick to the upside before slowly continuing back up to the top of the channel again. What we just did again is we slowly made our way and then big pump to the top of the channel again, and then got a big dump to the downside, okay? You can see a similar big red candle here where we dumped big to the downside, and then we got another big wicked candle to where we dumped and then we pumped right back up to the upside. We're getting a similar thing here where look at this giant wick that we have again in the second green box on our top channel, okay? So very, very similar. Now, if this were to continue to play out, what you would want to see here is a slight pump for Cardano, right? Get rejected, come back down, retest the bottom of the channel again, and then pump. Exactly like we did here, right? Where we pump back up, get rejected, one more time, come back down, retest it as support one more time, and then you're really off to the races. So we're going to wait and see if this fractal actually plays out from our last consolidation. Doesn't always have to play out that way, guys, but I just thought it was a very, very interesting thing to look at here, and we'll see if it plays out. Also on the daily RSI, you cool down now. You're not overbought anymore. Now you're down to a 63 on the RSI. Perfect to see on the daily, which means we have room to run if we were continuing this run to the upside at some point, guys, okay? So good stuff happening on the daily, right? Just typical consolidation. I bought more Cardano, right, on this wick, right? I didn't buy the exact bottom, but I did buy a lot near about the 90-cent level. So I thought that was an awesome buy opportunity for Cardano. We're not going to see a lot of those buy opportunities again in my opinion, guys, okay? So that's the daily chart now. Now let's go check out the weekly chart. So we don't have too much to look at here on the weekly chart. So we're just going to do a quick overview. You can see on the weekly where we got rejected on our last weekly candle makes very much sense, right? It was our top, right? Our candle body tops on our weekly all the way back from January of 2018. So makes perfect sense there. Also, you can see where our last pump went to was our previous dead cat bounce top here, okay? And then we got consolidation back down to the downside. So not a big deal here. You can see the Discord chat going on the right here. Go join the Patreon if you guys want access to this Discord. A lot of good activity. We just started this about a week ago, but we're getting some good activity over there in the Discord already. So go check it out after the video if you want. But yeah, we consolidated right after that. We had 2 red candles. So if we have 2 red weekly candles, I would not be surprised at all, guys, okay? And you can see we're just continuing that parabolic run. Now, can we continue this parabolic run? Or are we eventually going to break this, eventually? I mean, obviously, this has to break eventually, right? You can't be this parabolic forever. But we've seen crypto do crazy things. Maybe we end up just doing something like this over a longer course of time on the weekly chart, guys. But that's really the Cardano video today. Not much really to talk about until, we break this key support. This green line is key support on the 4-hour as well. You can see basic support and resistance on this green line, and we're holding that right now along with the 100 4-hour EMA and our rising channel support. So big support right here in this area. It's going to be tough for us to really break that. If we do, we probably come back down to our 200 4-hour EMA at about 70 cents, guys. Okay, so that's really the video on Cardano today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, right? If you did, go press the subscribe button down below if you're new. And if you guys already enjoy my content, like I said, go check out the Patreon. It's only $1 a month for Discord benefits. The reason why I do $1 a month is to get serious people who actually care about crypto in there. We don't just get a bunch of spammers and trolls in there, right? So that's why I do the $1 a month. For $10 a month, you guys are going to get exclusive content, right? I'm talking at least 2 or 3 more videos a week from me over there, and also any coins that any Moon member suggests, you guys get access to that as well as a gold member. And if you're a Moon member, which is $30 a month, you guys get 1 video per month on a coin of your choice, and you get access to every video that goes up over there on the Patreon. So guys, go check this out. We've already got 15 patrons already in here, and we just launched this, I think, on Sunday. So literally 2 days ago, right, we launched this. We got 15 patrons already. Go check that out if you guys want, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the live stream tonight around, we'll call it 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, okay? See you guys then. Peace.